How to set the default theme in Messenger app. Today, we're diving into one of the most fun features of Facebook Messenger, changing the chat theme and setting the default theme for your messages. If you want to customize your chats and make them a little more exciting, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Now, if you're ready to change the theme of your Messenger chats, here's what you need to do. Open the Messenger app. Once you're in the chat, tap on the name of the person. Now, tap or hold the chat for a little longer, and here you can find various chat themes, and you can choose here to a selection of themes. Tap on the one you like and it will be applied to the chat right away. Now just go to the same theme sections, and at the bottom you'll see an option to reset to the default. You can also go through via tapping on the name of the person and going to theme. Scroll down and you can simply tap on the set as default, or you can tap on monochrome, and simply that's how you simply choose to reset the theme to default. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.